Welcome students in this English subject class standard 8th unit number 1.1 be the best. Yesterday we have learned this poem. Now today we are going to do the activities which are given in the workshop. First we are going to do the activities which are given in the in-text. So the in-text questions. First question, what is the main difference between a pine tree and a scrub? Answer is, pine tree is standing on the top of the hill and the scrubs find in the valley besides a stream which makes the valley beautiful. Second question, what do people like to see along the highway? Answer is, people like to beat grass along the highway. Next question, read the words names given below. Put the big sized oblique bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. These words are given here. We have to put them into the big circle and the small circle. First, the small circle, bass, bush, reel, star, trail and scrub. These are the small things. Then the big circle, in the big circle, musky, tree, pine, lake, highway and sun. So we have written these words in the small circle and the big circle. Another activity, find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. A, hill, reel, make, lake, grass, brass, trail, fell. These are the rhyming word pairs which are given in the poem. Another activity, write whether the following are true or false. First statement, all must be the captains of the ship. Second statement, a bit of grass can make the highway happier. Third statement, we win or fail depending upon size or position. Fourth statement, a scrub is found at the top of the hill. Fifth statement, if your work is not important, don't do it. And last is, whatever job you have, do your best. Now we will be stated whether it is false or true. First statement, all must be the captain of the ship. It is false statement. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. This is true sentence. We win or fail depending upon size or position. This is false statement. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. This is false statement. If your work is not important, don't do it. This is false statement. And last statement, whatever job you have, do your best. This is true statement. So these 6 statements are given here. We have find them whether they are false or true. You write down these statements and these whether they true or false. Another activity, appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. The first, the title of the poem. Second is poet of the poem. Third is the stanzas the poem has. And fourth is the poet compares big things with. The title of the poem is Be the Best. The poet of the poem is Douglas Malloch. and the stanzas the poem has. The poem contains the 4 stanzas. The poet compares big things with small things. So in this way, we have done the activities which are given in the textbook in the workshop. Some activities are remain. You do it yourself because it is completely related to you. You should do them. I think you understand the poem and the workshop activities. You write these activities at your notebook. Let's stop here. Thank you once again. Thank you.